If you're planning a trip and choosing between Polarsteps and Stippl, both apps streamline travel but cater to different needs. Journaling versus comprehensive planning. Polarsteps is a traveler's diary, automatically tracking your route with GPS to create a vibrant, shareable map. Its free app, iOS, Android, web, lets you log photos, videos, and notes offline, syncing later for a polished timeline. You can order a printed travel book, purchase 6 to 50 as a keepsake, but it lacks tools for booking management or itinerary suggestions, and data privacy concerns linger due to GPS tracking. Stippl, designed for end-to-end planning, offers a drag-and-drop interface to organize routes, accommodations, and packing lists. Its AI crafts tailored itineraries, and you can forward booking emails for auto-integration. The free tier covers basics, while premium plans, for a 25-month, add eSIMs, 3D trip videos, and group collaboration. However, it doesn't auto-track journeys or store memories like Polarsteps. With 4.55 ratings, Polarsteps wins for documenting adventures. Stippl, rated 4.65, excels for structured planning. Choose Polarsteps for free, memory-focused travel. Pick Stippl for detailed trip organization. Are you documenting your journey or planning every detail?